Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat error in Apex Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're using Steam, you just need to open up Steam, then you need to go to library, right click on it, properties, and browse files. And if you're using EA Play, I need to open up this PC, then disk C, and for me the Apex files is program files, and here should be EA Games and Apex. And then what you need to do here is to go to easy anti-cheat folder. Then you should see easy anti-cheat setup. Then you need to press on it. You will get this window. Then what you need to do here is to press repair service. And then you need to try the game. And if it's not working, press on install. Make sure that here Apex Legends selected here. Then you need to install anti-cheat. And then you just need to run Apex and it should work. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.